guys, welcome back to Church Tech Talks. My name's Scott. I'm doing a 5 a.m. video this morning, and the reason is because we've got some cool products that are going out to a job site, but I wanted to share with you some of this stuff because it's a bit of an interesting setup. So we have a church, and what they wanted to do was have some exterior lights for one of their parking lots. However, they also use that parking lot as sort of a youth lot or a multi-purpose lot, and they will have people there, and they have a stage, and so they wanted to have your standard exterior wall packs to light up the parking lot, but they wanted them to be dimmable. They also wanted some stage lighting, and they wanted that dimmable too. To further complicate things, they wanted them to be as close to the same color temperature as possible, and they wanted them all on simple wall plate switches for easy operation. So with a wall pack, that's easy enough to do. We're using a RAB FX LED. It's crazy bright. It's selectable between 4K and 5K Kelvin color temperature, and it also has a bunch of different wattages that you can select to be brighter or dimmer. It's also 0 to 10 volt dimming, so we can put it on a watt stopper dimming station, and we can dim it up and down on a wall plate. Done. Easy. The hard part was with the DMX stuff, because this isn't really built to be used with a wall plate. So what we did is we got this. This is the Elation CW Profile HPIP, and we got a 19-degree lens for it so we could throw it the distance we needed. And we picked up this Springtree WallDim 1. This thing is awesome. It's just a super simple potentiometer plate, wall plate, and on the back of it, it's got dim switches. So you can set it to be a single channel control of DMX. Now it also has in and an out there, so you could bring your DMX in from a board, control board, and then send it out to the light. And then it's got just like a little power jack here. All these are with your standard, there we go, little Phoenix connector. But I'm pretty excited to get this tested out. I was going to test it out. Like I said, it's going out today. It's going to get installed. But one thing I wanted to check was I'm not exactly sure how they're doing the pin outs. We've got 1, 2, and 3 on here. And I got this little DMX 5-pin to Ethernet adapter. So I'm going to go ahead and play with this. I might have to do a little continuity testing to see which color is which pin. I'm not sure on the Ethernet. Maybe there's a standard. I'm going to Google this. I'm going to get this all built together, and then we're going to put it together and test it out. Alright, so I got my RJ45 connector all hooked up, and I am going to be using this RJ45 to 5-pin DMX adapter to get it in the back there. So the only thing I need to do is figure out what the pinout is, and I'm guessing it's your typical 596B pinout, and so I'm probably going to be using, I'm thinking, white, orange, orange, and white green as 1, 2, and 3 on this output, which they label nicely for you. So I'm going to try that out, and this wiring right here is going to be wrong. This is from a test I did earlier. So I'm going to try the correct thing and see if I can get it to work. Alright, so after a little bit of testing, I figured this out. It is indeed the first 3 pins in 596B, so it's white, orange, orange, and then you kind of hard to see there. It's white, green. So there's your pin out for this side. Your Cat 5 connector is going to plug in there. And then your DMX connector is going to plug in there. This is going to be set to 1-channel mode, and it is going to be on DMX channel 1. Of course, that could be on any DMX channel you want using those dip switches. There's a lot of apps to figure out what dip switch is which channel, so you don't have to figure that stuff out, but let's do a little demo. If I can do this with one hand. Look at that. And it's really smooth. That's so cool. Whoever invented this, Springtree WallDim 1, you guys are awesome. This thing is rad. It works perfectly. It's super simple. I think they have a 5-channel mode as well if you have like house lights you want to do, or maybe do house lights and stages, or some stage lights and some house lights. I'm just having so much dang fun playing with this. Alright, so I tried to get over here during the evening, and with 4 kids, that ain't happening, so I'm just going to quickly show kind of what we got going on here. By the way, you may notice a facial hair change. It's been a couple weeks since I shot the beginning of this video, and that's because I was trying to get over here at night. Not happening, and I want to set this video out, so here we go. got the two circuits here. One is a DMX circuit, the other is your standard dimming circuit. We're controlling all of our lighting, and we've got our house lights as well as that one stage light that we're doing, and it's working pretty great, pretty easy. Show you right there. There's our dimming circuit for the house lights. Boom. There's our dimming for stage light. Works, and it's awesome. Anyways, that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll put links to all these products there as well. Till next time, see you guys.